Hi kids, we are back with Benny and Bubby stories. These are few of the drawings which I made to explain the story. I used color pencils, crayons, watercolors and HB2B pencils to make these drawings. That was a beautiful sunny day. Benny and Ben were playing with blocks. They were learning numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
After 6, 7 comes.
Ben told.
After 7, 8 comes.
Benny added. After 8, 9 comes. Mom told.
When Benny screamed, "Buffy, join us! We are having a lot of fun!"
Bubby replied,
"I'm waiting for my tattoo to come." Hooray, Grandpa and Grandma Tika coming!
Benny and Ben screamed with joy. Yes, Grandpa and Grandma are coming. Dad announced. Ding dong. Hey, they have arrived.
Tattoo, I miss you so much.
Bubby gave a tight hug to Grandpa Nala. Welcome home, Mom and Dad, Mommy and Daddy. Welcome, Grandpa and Grandma.
I'm so happy to see you back.
Benny added. Ben pulled Grandma inside the house. Grandpa Nala and Grandma Tika entered the house. They were so glad to meet Roop, Randy, Benny, Ben and Bubby. Daddy's name is Roop, Mom's name is Randy. Mommy Randy gave lemonade to everybody. Grandpa asked the kids, "Why is Bessie here? All blocks here and there. What were you doing with these blocks?" Kids replied, "We were playing with these blocks. We were trying to create a building." Wow, that's so nice. I'll help you to create the best building. Grandpa Dala replied. Daddy asked Grandma Tika, "Ba, can you please prepare your signature fish recipe today?" Grandma replied, "Sure, I will prepare, but I need little helpers." "I am in." Benny was so excited to help Grandma Tika. Mommy smiled and they started cooking. They picked all the ingredients together, shared their responsibilities. Grandma told, "Curry leaves and coconut are important ingredients for the fish curry. It's so good for your hair and skin, kid."
Oh, that's nice. I'll peel the shallots. What are the benefits of the shallot?
Shallots, it's rich in antioxidants, vitamins and fibers, which is good for BP regulation. Mommy grated the coconut needed for the fish recipe. Also, she chopped some beans. Together, we made the work easier. Back in the living room, Grandpa Nala taught Ben and Bobby to create a beautiful house using the blocks. Ben, you need to make sure you're having a strong basement. That is the strongest layer of your house. Second layer should be on top of the first layer. Then you can go ahead to make pillars. After making a pillar, you can go for stepping up to make it as the first floor. Then you decorate it to finish the house. Ensure you have the proper balance while arranging the blocks.
That's really awesome. I love it.
Ben was so happy to see your beautiful house. He thanked Grandpa Nala.
My tattoo is the best.
Bobby exclaimed. Creak, creak. There was a noise from the kitchen. "Tika, what are you doing?" Grandpa Nala screamed. Grandma replied, "I am grinding the coconut mixture needed for the fish curry." Using the hand grinder, she made a fine paste of shallots, chilli powder, coconut gratings, turmeric, curry leaves and cumin seeds. She told, "Find out the ground paste tastier the fish curry is." She added the fish pieces to the mixture and made a delicious fish curry. She also cooked rice to go with and beans. The flavor of the fish recipe spread the entire house. The entire family can't wait to have their meal that day. Grandpa Dala told, "You need to provide drinking water to anybody before serving the food." Mommy nodded and kept drinking water for everybody in glasses. Then they had the delicious meal. Bobby appreciated Grandma Tika.
Never had this before, Grandma Tika.
Benny added, "It's the best dish in the world." Grandma smiled and replied, "Thanks to Randy and little Benny. We work together to make it nice." Fish has multivitamins, proteins, omega fatty acid. Kids, ensure that you are having healthy food on a daily basis. We will see you in the next episode. Thanks for listening to Benny and Bobby's stories.